Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I want to demonstrate the CTYPE function, which is actually macros, isupper, and I've included my header file and I have my main function created. I want to include another header file, so I'm going to do that, and we have to include the ctype.h header file. Okay, so let's create a fun little program. Let's have a character array called name that is 19 characters long, not counting the null character, up to 19 characters long. And we're going to do a printf, what is your name? Put a question mark and a space. And then we're going to scan f. So we'll scan that into the character array name. And we'll say if, and I'm going to say not isupper, and then we're going to take your name and look at index 0. So the first letter of your name. We'll then say, we'll print something out like printf, why didn't you capitalize your first name? What? You don't like yourself? And then we'll put a /n for formatting, and we'll close that printf statement. And then we'll also have an else, and we'll do a printf, something like hi, and then do the character array, and put an exclamation point and /n for formatting. And then we're using the character array name, and we'll close that out. And then at the end of this, we will return 0, not O. And okay, let's save this and let's open up a terminal and let's compile it into just isupper. Okay, and let's run it. So what is your name? So I'll say Tim and I'll put it all lowercase. Why didn't you capitalize your first name? What, you don't like yourself? So let's run it again. This time I'll put Tim. It says, hi, Tim. So this will work for any name. You could put like Joey or something like that. And it's like, hi, Joey. You could put another name like, I don't know, Jessica. Why didn't you capitalize your first name? What, you don't like yourself? Anyways, I figured I'd have a little fun with this one. So this is demonstrating the isupper CTYPE function in C. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye.